Nina Kitchen is introducing Happy Indian Curry. Here we add 6 tablespoons of cooking oil, lamb 600 gram to 1 kilogram. Add this lamb pieces into the hot oil. Maintain low flame. One tablespoon of fennel seeds and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, which is highly recommended. If you don't have it, you can use the paprika powder. Also add 3 tablespoons of coriander powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of salt, all mixed together in the low flame. Once everything is mixed together, add ginger chopped, 2 green chili chopped, full garlic crushed, and everything mixed together again. Now add 3 to 4 onion chopped. It doesn't need to be very thin. I made here is a big pieces. Here I used 4 medium sized onion and 1 tomato chopped, 1 large tomato. Everything mix. Add a 2-inch length cinnamon piece. Cover with the lid and in a medium flame cook for almost half an hour. Make sure we stir in between. Here I stir every 10 minutes just to avoid catching up at the bottom of the pan. After half an hour, add 500 ml of water to cover the whole meat. Stir well. Cover with a lid. Maintain medium flame. Cook again another half an hour. Need to stir in between. As the water content reduced, the gravy will be gradually get thicker. Once the desired consistency, you can stop the heat. This recipe I tried with the pork, chicken and beef. Everything is worked very well and is very tasty, and it's no very spicy. It is well served with chapatis and rice, and hope you will enjoy this recipe. Have a great day.